Class 8. Today I am going to teach you Chapter 3 Ingredients of Modern Industry, Minerals and Power Resources. In the last few hundred years, especially since the Industrial Revolution, minerals and power resources have become increasingly important. Both of these have been central to the development of industries and therefore to the development of economy. In this chapter we will learn about the different kinds of minerals and power resources, their uses and their distribution around the world and in India. So let's discuss first about mineral resources. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic solids that have definite chemical compositions and certain distinct physical properties such as color, hardness and density. Minerals are formed over millions of years by natural process, and the mineral ore is the raw metal extracted from the earth mixed with other impurities. That means higher impurity means that is low grade ore, and when the less impurity present in that ore, that is on that time, that ore is high grade ore. Clear? And mining is an economic activity of extracting minerals from the earth. There are different types of mining activities in the earth. Now let's discuss some importance of minerals. Minerals are the backbone of industrial development, necessary to maintain the health of the people. Minerals are ingredients of modern civilizations. Now let's discuss some properties of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resources. Okay, so their formation takes place over a long period of time, and minerals are unevenly distributed on the earth. So there are two types of minerals in the earth. Number one, metallic minerals, and second one, non-metallic minerals. And further we can classify metallic minerals into two categories: ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Now what is metallic minerals? Minerals are contain metal in raw form are called metallic minerals. They have bright metallic luster, means shine. Then they are hard, ductile, malleable and good conductor of electricity. These are the characteristics of metallic minerals also. So some examples of metallic minerals are iron ore, silver, gold, copper are the examples of metallic minerals. And ferrous minerals contain a large proportion of iron, those are known as ferrous minerals, and do not contain iron, they are known as non-ferrous minerals. For ferrous minerals examples are manganese, iron ore, and for non-ferrous minerals examples are gold, silver, copper, zinc, etc. And the next category is the non-metallic minerals. Minerals that do not contain any metals are called non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are not so good conductor of electricity, and they are brittle in nature and inflexible. For example, gypsum, limestone, mica. Okay. Next topic is distribution of minerals in the world. So we have 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And I told you before that minerals are unevenly distributed all over the world. So Asia is rich iron ore deposits are found in India and China. India and China are the two countries of Asia continent. And most of the world's supply tin comes from China, Malaysia and Indonesia. Next one is the Africa. Africa is the one of the world's leading producer of diamond, gold and platinum. And other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, uranium, etc. Next one is the Europe. Ukraine and Sweden are Europe's leading producer of iron ore. Next continent, North America. North America is rich in minerals, namely copper, zinc, platinum, gold and silver. Mexico is the largest producer of silver. And South America, Brazil is a leading producer of high grade iron ore. I told you before that what is high grade iron ore and what is low grade iron ore, where the impurity present in less quantity, that is known as high grade ore, and when impurity present in some high quality or huge quality, then that ore is known as low grade iron ore. So in Brazil is the leading producer of high grade iron ore, and Chile and Peru are leading producer of copper. Now another continent is Australia. Australia leads the world in the production of bauxite. Bauxite is the raw material of aluminium. Okay, and now Australia is also rich in iron ore, gold, diamond, tin and nickel. Another continent, which is Antarctica. Geologists have identified the existence of large deposit of minerals in Antarctica. Significant quantities of iron ore, gold, silver and copper are also present in that continent. Okay, so now we will discuss the distribution of minerals in India and their uses. Remember students, the previous table is very much important. So when I give you the PDF, try to note down in your classwork copy. And this table also very much important. Distribution of minerals and in India and their uses. So in our India, lots of minerals we can find. First one is iron ore. Especially hematite and magnetite are the two types of iron ore which we can find in the India, and iron ore is used for making steel, which forms the base of modern large scale industries. Some leading producing states are India for iron ore like Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, etc. 3 is enough. Next one is bauxite. The ore of aluminium is called bauxite and used for aircraft industry and electrical industry. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh are some famous states for producing bauxite. Clear? Next one is manganese. Manganese is used for smelting. It is also used for making glass, bricks and plastics. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh are some famous states for producing manganese. Next one is copper. Copper is good conductor of electricity, therefore used in the electrical industries. Some important states for copper producing: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. Now next one is the mica. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world, used in electrical, glass making industries. Some states where you can find mica like Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and the next is gold. Gold is used for making jewelry, and gold is also known as precious minerals. Okay, and gold you can find in the Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Next one is the limestone. Limestone is the important raw material for cement industries. Okay. And limestone is especially found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh like states. Okay. And the next one is salt. Salt is extracted from rocks, lakes and sea. Remember, salt is extracted from rocks, lakes and sea. Salt is used in cooking to add taste to food. It is also used in food industry. So, especially rock salt we can find in the Mandi, Himachal Pradesh region. Then lake salt we can find in the Sambhad lake in Rajasthan. And the sea salt we can find in the coastal region of India like in Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So, that's it for today. Next day I will teach you some conservations of minerals and power resources in detail. Thank you.